All right, friends. ARTBABYJADE. Hello there. Today we're going to be painting a unicorn. And I don't mean on a flat canvas, I mean like a physical 3D unicorn. I bought this weird little, it's either a deer, no, it's gotta be an alpaca or a llama. I don't know. It's this weird little ornament. I got it at Michael's Crafts. It clearly is white, so I think you're supposed to paint it. There was 2 of them on sale. And I was playing with some paper clay recently and I realized that I needed to make it a unicorn. So I added on a horn, some hair, and a tail. Or actually, I think this is natural earth clay. Anyways, it's from the dollar store. Yeah, it's like earth clay, not paper clay. So anyways, it fell off really easily. So you might be able to see I had to use hot glue and now it feels pretty sturdy. So I want to paint this. Are you ready? I got this big bucket of gesso. There's always something cathartic about painting something all white. Sometimes I feel weird about projects like this where it's not a full original creation. This is a good example of something you could do to customize a little ornament you find, especially if you're shopping at the dollar store, because often the stuff at the dollar store is kind of low quality or really basic, and you can add on custom enhancements to really take it to the next level. And no one would recognize it as from the dollar store. So by the way, that's what I did to make this horn. I rolled the clay out like you would dough, made it skinny like a snake, and then I just literally twisted it kind of like a dog poo shape, but taller. Okay, it already looks so much cooler when it's white. That's crazy. And then we'll move on to the painting phase. Oh, why? There's been a death in the family. I freaking dropped the second alpaca. It lost 2 of its legs and it got a head injury. It smells weird inside of its body. As you can see, I have a really nice coat of gesso on there. I ended up adding way more hot glue to the joints because I'd rather it be more sturdy. Let's get started on painting it. Lavender's already on there. This is a nice soft brush. Okay, that strangely took way longer than I thought, but I haven't painted an ornament in a minute. So I got the base layer of the vanilla body on, and I don't have the best lighting in here because I want it to flatter me. So I'll go over that after that layer dries if necessary. Mid-project update. It's actually so hard to get a smooth transition. So I've given up and I'm trying to blend them like a cotton candy ice cream kind of look. But I just realized that if I mix the blue and the yellow together, it's going to make green. So I might let this dry and just use it as like a base layer to cover the background. And then, oh my God, her horn is coming off. I can't pick her up like that. Be careful with your unicorn horn, you guys. I'm gonna have to break this off and super glue it on. You know, sometimes it's the simplest unicorns that get you in the end. Anyways, we're not giving up that easily. As someone who's impatient and likes to work in bad lighting, you have to be flexible with your colors. And something I learned when I used to be a nail tech is if you're having trouble blending something, or it just doesn't look as good as you were hoping, you can just add a layer of glitter on top. So we're just gonna take a little break, regroup, and then we'll return with a different approach. Wow, that took way longer than I thought it would take. But that's not surprising because such is life. So let's look. Presenting to you Topanga. The unicorn ornament, or unicornament, if you will. Topanga features a glitter horn and hooves with gold footings, various crystals all over her body. She has real eyelashes, cotton candy hair, and a heart on her chest. She's beautiful. I don't know why I thought this wasn't going to take very much time. Leave it to me to underestimate my projects. In the end, though, I love her. She's worth it. She's quirky. She's weird. She's a major upgrade from this basic bitch, which I have fixed now. I feel inspired now to remake or to decorate this little unit. Maybe that'll be another video. I hope I inspired you to go to your local dollar store, craft store, thrift store, find an ornament and then rework it. Make it something even weirder than it already is. Thanks for watching.